There are many different bed covers for trucks on the market. Some are made of soft cloth, while others are made of a firmer fabric. Some have a waterproof coating, while others do not. It is important to find the right cover for your truck, as the cover will protect it from the elements and make it more comfortable to sleep in. In today's video, I'll talk about the 5 best bed covers for trucks on the market available right now. I have added all the links in the description box below. Check them out and please consider to subscribe our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. In the 1970s, Lund made the first truck bed caps, and it's been making tonneau covers for decades. When you're moving to more premium covers, even if they're still affordable, that peace of mind is crucial. Lund Genesis Elite roll-up tonneau covers are made of premium twill weave material that resists water, mold, UV rays, dust, and dirt. The fabric weave is easy to wash with water and won't trap dirt. With a set of plastic buckles, the tonneau can be rolled up and fastened that way if you need access to your truck's bed for longer periods of time or need to transport taller objects. When the cover isn't rolled up, latch fasteners hold it down. Tonneau covers manufactured by Lund are covered by a limited lifetime warranty. This tonneau isn't as easy to install as some others, taking about an hour, and its profile isn't as slim as some soft vinyl covers. Although it is made in the USA, it offers a unique fabric construction. Genesis offers soft roll-up covers, soft tri-fold covers, and hard tri-fold covers. This low-profile BAKFlip G2 hard folding cover allows you to drive with the cover fully closed or partially open depending on your preference. There are a few things that are not totally unique about this. There is something unique about this thing, as it is able to flip up against the back window of the truck, allowing for 100% access to the bed. Unlike some covers that cause the front one divided by 3 to remain clamped to the bed unless their owner removes the whole thing from it. This, according to your author, puts this tonneau cover up there in the running for the best tonneau cover on the market at the moment. The hard tonneau cover consists of durable aluminum panels with an automatic latching system, which provides a greater level of security than vinyl covers. While the cover is open, prop rods hold it upright, and they securely stow away when the cover is closed, or if it is partially closed, when it is completely closed. This hard folding truck bed cover is called UnderCover Flex for a reason. This hard tonneau will look as though it was installed on your truck from the factory thanks to its low-profile design. It's easy to install, requires no drilling, and folds into 3 sections so you have full access to your truck's bed when you need it. Furthermore, the bed has prop rods that keep it tilted upward when loaded or unloaded, even when folded up. It is also possible to completely remove the cover without using any tools. You can also drive around with 1, 2, or all 3 folding sections tilted upward with this tonneau. If you are transporting large objects, but don't want to remove your truck cover completely, this may be useful. In addition to being made in the USA, this tonneau is also covered by a factory warranty. A variety of 2014 to 2018 Chevy, GMC Silverado, Sierra's 1,500 seconds with a 6/7 bed are available at our link. There is a brand called PowertraxPRO that offers a power-operated tonneau cover that comes in a wide range of sizes and colors. The retractable powered cover features remote control operation and can be locked in place anywhere along the truck bed, ensuring that loose pieces of cargo too large to fit under it are secured temporarily. There are aluminum panels on this cover that can hold up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight, so you should make sure not to put your heavy trophies all together in one spot, as well as a matte finish that will prevent UV rays from damaging it. The products are made in North Dakota and are backed up by a customer support team based in the United States of America. LEER calls itself America's #1 truck cover, and given the sheer number of truck accessories bearing the LEER name, they might have a point. There is one particular option that is a soft tri-fold unit, which unfolds to reveal the truck bed underneath when it is folded forward in thirds. As a result of the security straps and buckles located at the front of the bed, drivers can safely travel with the cover open at all times. Despite not providing the same protection as a hard cover, this cover is a good option if you don't want to break the bank. The truck bed cover is held in place by a specially designed self-tensioning frame that features rounded corners and beveled edges. A one-handed pinch latching system is used near the tailgate, and not a bulky handle on which you have to grasp and pull to latch the tailgate shut. It is true that LEER's solution is lower profile, but it may be hard to grab, especially if it is dark. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.